of welcome you all to the grand farewell function. We come together to celebrate the unity, talent and remarkable achievement of our institute. This annual function is testimony of hard work, dedication and creativity of our institute. We extend a warm welcome to our estimated guest parents as well wishers who have been pillar for our institute. We would like to invite all of you to this 14th grand farewell function of our institute. I am Shifa, your host of this day, giving you a very hearty welcome. Your hearty welcome to you gathered to this farewell function. Today is completely yours. It is a joy. It is a day of celebration. It is a day of cheer with happiness, and it is a day of great freedom. Before starting this event, who are the world of the children to giving best student for our institute. And with elected heart, I would like wonderful teachers and who are strongest pillar for our institute throughout journey and other staff members. And the student present here to make ceremony with grand success. మా స్కూల్ ఫంక్షన్కి వచ్చిన పెద్దలకు పిల్లలకు స్వాగతం అంటూ మన సెకండ్ క్లాస్ పిల్లలు మన ముందుకు వస్తున్నారు. జాయిన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ వెల్కమ్ దెమ్. యువర్ బిగ్
না তুমি বলে